So here's the big map of the resort, and once again our room is right here. So to get here we kind of walked around and across this bridge and then down through here and to right there. This version of the menu has no prices, but I'm really excited about that prime rib on the top right. Lots of jockey jerseys on the wall outside of the turf club. Here's one with Mickey's on it. We arrived early for our reservation, so we took advantage of the free time we had to look at the Artist Palette gift shop. Okay, what'd you find, Casey?
I found some pins. Ready?
Yep. Whoa.
Little bodies came out.
Do it again. How much are those?
Around $9. $9.99.
$9.99.
$9.99.
As a Disney Vacation Club member myself, my favorite merchandise to look at is DVC merchandise. And they have this hat for $27.99. And this one for probably the same. There's a Disney Vacation Club shirt. And looks like a throw. There's a DVC member shirt for the ladies. And a tote bag. Tote bag's $44.99. Looks like it has a patch for all the DVCs on it. That's pretty cool. And here's some specific Saratoga Springs stuff. And Heather says she really likes this shirt. How much is that?
That is $24.95.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
I don't have my size.
Oh look, here's the Larry Dotson painting.
Yeah.
They also have here a Disney Vacation Club member Magic Man for the low price of just $27.99. It's pretty cool though. It matches this shirt actually. Yeah, it even has the birds on it like this shirt does. So this shop is called the Artist Palette here at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa, but it's also a kind of counter service / grab and go restaurant next door. So I'll show you that. They've got some Halloween merch over here. And then same store is also, see this is the kind of the grab and go part. And there's some coolers over there with more stuff. But I think there's also a menu that you can order food off of as well here at the Artist Palette. All right, so was that a solid? And finally, we are seated. Okay, so here is the Turf Club Bar and Grill menu here at Saratoga Springs Resort. And I'm very excited about this prime rib. And Casey said she's getting scallops and she is substituting mashed potatoes for her corn. And Heather is getting crispy fried chicken. And I'm not sure what Lacey's getting. She's getting something. And Lacey's going to check out the classical French onion soup, which should be really good. I've heard good things about it from other vloggers. Casey decided to get a New York strip. So there's the butter that goes on the bread. It looks like it has some sort of sea salt on it. All right, Casey's trying out the bread with the awesome butter on it. Yeah?
I think it's better at the weight. The bread. They're so good. I like the butter with the sea salt. Good.
Cool. What about you, Miss Lacey?
Oh, so southwest.
Curvy? And how about you, Heather?
I really like it.
You like it a lot?
Yeah, I do.
Cool.
Yeah, I really
All right, well, let me have a nibble of it. I'm having a steak and a pretty good sized salad, so I'm not going to eat much bread. Hold on tight. Hello. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so this is my grilled romaine salad. It's like a, I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it's, yeah, well, it's like a whole leaf Caesar salad, but it's unlike one I've ever had before. I'm looking forward to trying it. Okay, so this salad is amazing. It tastes like a Caesar salad on the one hand, but it also has a lot of balsamic flavor to it. It's really, really good. I let Casey have a bite, and she said,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
and I said, you can't have any more of my salad. You know what I'm saying? You want some more?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let her have another bite. Let's.
Oh my god. It's so good. Oh my god. You gave Janice for a second there.
Yeah, that's really good. It's unique. I've never had another salad like it. Okay, so check out this prime rib. It looks fantastic. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm also waiting for, he said he's going to bring some horseradish sauce of some sort. And let's have a look at Heather's chicken.
It looks absolutely wonderful.
What is that, a half of fried chicken? Is that what that is?
I think it's just a breast.
Okay, all right. And Casey has the New York strip,
I am so hungry.
which looks really nice. And this is the famous, what is it, French onion soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, which
Looks
is
good.
supposed to be really good here. I heard a couple of people say it. Boop, boop. All right, Casey, tell me about your New York strip.
Oh my god.
Okay, is it good?
So good.
How'd you order it? Did you order it medium rare? Good job. Good job. And what about this fried chicken you got working over here? Oh, did I ask you why you had your mouth full? I never do that, except for every single time.
It's good. The outside is really, really crunchy.
Yeah?
Which I like. And then the inside is, it's just good chicken. It's not too dry. That's
Okay.
important.
Awesome. All right, let's talk about French onion soup at this point.
Very good soup.
Yeah? Is it cheesy or oniony or?
It's cheesy and I think there's meat in it.
Okay.
So
I heard you say it tastes a little like au jus.
yeah, it does.
Yeah, okay. Mine is beefy. It is. I mean, you know, I don't like broccoli and it's on top of broccoli, but it also has mashed potatoes, so that's cool. And I'm going to get back to it. Okay, well, I finished my prime rib and it was very good. I had a couple of good bites of Casey's New York strip and it was very good, but not as good as the prime rib in my opinion. And I also had some of Heather's fried chicken breast and it was good as well. I'm pretty happy with this place. What do you think, Heather?
It's really good.
All right. So what are those things?
Macaroon.
Strawberry, pistachio, vanilla. I think it's like kind of like a coffee or something. But they're all good.
Sounds
I tried
good.
them and they're delicious.
All right, let's tear them up. Thank you.
I call strawberry.
Okay, I think we really like that.
Yeah.
I think that was good.
This is not a false alarm. I can
Yeah, this was really good. We enjoyed it. Thank you.